Are you looking for the cordless electric scissors? Cordless electric scissors have evolved from novelty gadgets to essential tools for packaging, crafts, and lightweight fabrication. They promise reduced hand fatigue, faster material throughput, and safer operation in tight spaces. This review examines 5 recently available models across a broad price range to help shoppers align performance with budget. To assess them, I evaluated blade sharpness and cutting depth, motor type, brushed versus brushless, battery life and charging behavior. Product number 1. Works Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors. The Works Zip Snip is positioned as a versatile, portable cordless cutter with a 4V lithium battery and a compact design. It ships with 2 blades, a storage bag, and a dedicated carrying case, emphasizing portability and along-for-the-ride convenience. The rotating blade mechanism, claimed 1/4-inch cutting capacity, and automatic sharpening system aim to deliver consistent cuts across paper, plastic, fabric, cardboard, leather, and more. Safety is addressed via a 2-action requirement, trigger plus lockout, to prevent accidental starts, and the unit weighs about 1 pound, which should minimize fatigue during longer sessions. The included storage case and extra blades support uninterrupted workflow, making it a compelling option for DIYers who frequently switch materials or move between spaces. In practice, the Zip Snip's 4V platform provides adequate power for light-duty tasks, with real-time battery status visible via the integrated indicator. However, for heavier materials like thick cardboard or dense leather, the tool can slow and may require slower cutting speeds or multiple passes. The automatic blade sharpening helps maintain performance, but users should still monitor blade condition as replacement blades are required to sustain high-efficiency cutting. The package's storage bag and case add value from mobile projects, while the safe lock and trigger design reduce risk in busy work environments. Product number 2. Electric Scissors. This LKCTB model blends a robust brushless motor approach with a 3500 mAh battery and an LED blade light to improve accuracy in low-light environments. It features a 6mm material cutting capability with versatility across cloth, leather, carpet, and closer tolerance cuts, offered with less than 0.5mm error claimed. The LED work light and dual display battery readout are practical for designers and tailors who work in variable lighting. The device emphasizes ergonomic handle design and long runtime, 80 minutes, for extended sessions, supported by a sturdy build and 95 HRA class tungsten steel blade coating for durability. In real-world use, the LTCTB model delivers strong performance on soft to medium-hard materials and excels in projects requiring visibility in dim spaces. The brushless motor contributes to quieter operation and reduced heat, which is beneficial during long sessions. Its heavier weight and bulk compared to compact Zip Snips may affect one-handed use for small-scale tasks, but the extended battery life and durable blade coating justify the investment for frequent cutting. The inclusion of a USB-C style charging path and a rugged design makes it suitable for shop floors and mobile craft setups. Product number 3. Zeit 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. Zeit presents a 4V cordless rotary cutter with a self-sharpening blade system and a dedicated storage bag, plus 2 blades and USB charging. The device claims a 1/4-inch maximum cut depth and speeds up to 260 RPM, making it suitable for cardboard, thin carpet, plastic, and lightweight fabric. The safety mechanism includes a handle-activated safety release to prevent accidental starts, and a compact form factor aimed at comfortable handling and portability. This model emphasizes user-friendly safety and maintenance with its self-sharpening blades and minimal setup requirements. Performance-wise, the Zeit model balances accessibility with practical cutting capability for hobbyists and designers who need quick, clean cuts on light to medium materials. The self-sharpening blade reduces maintenance burden, but users should be mindful of 1/4-inch depth limits on denser materials. The device weighs about 1.04 pounds and includes a USB-C-like charging approach, which supports quick top-ups. Overall, it's a strong contender for those who value safety-first operation and compact ergonomics. Product number 4. Cordless Electric Scissors Box Cutter, 2 rotary blades, 4V duty rechargeable cardboard cutter. The R. Rucker Co. box cutter focuses on low-cost, practical utility with 2 rotary blades and a USB charging cable. It targets heavy-duty cardboard, plastic sheets, fabric, and thin carpet, delivering a 4V platform and an LED-lit operation for low-light use. The inclusion of a storage box and 2 replaceable blades enhances value for budget-conscious shoppers who need reliable performance across varied tasks. The kit-style approach emphasizes practicality and immediate usability in home, office, or warehouse contexts. In practical testing, this model offers solid throughput for light to moderate tasks and benefits from a simple, ergonomic grip and a safety lock to mitigate accidental starts. However, it is noticeably heavier than ultra-compact zip snips and lacks the advanced motor or battery management found in higher-priced options. Replacement blade availability and performance will drive long-term satisfaction, and users should expect performance to taper on thicker or denser materials. Product number 5. Electric Cardboard Cutter Scissors with LED light. This LKCTB variant emphasizes a balance between power, durability, and comfort, featuring a 2600 mAh battery, brushless motor, tungsten steel blade coating, and an LED light. It's designed for quiet operation, less than 65 decibels, and up to 60 minutes of continuous cutting, with an emphasis on accuracy, less than 0.5 millimeters error, across fabrics, leather, carpet, and cardboard. The ergonomic asymmetrical grip and TPE rubber coating aim to reduce fatigue during extended sessions, while the kit includes a spare blade and storage bag for convenient transport. Performance-wise, the 50N of shear force allows robust cutting across multiple materials, making it a strong all-rounder for designers and hobbyists who cut frequently in a home or studio setting. The tungsten steel blade coating promises longevity, potentially delivering over 100,000 cuts, which reduces maintenance costs. The combination of LED lighting, smart battery display, and lightweight construction makes it a compelling mid-range option for users who value visibility and steady power without stepping into premium price tiers.